Hello everybody, I am so excited. Got a little package here to open with all of you. So I got a new lighting system here, so trying out some new stuff. Hopefully it looks a little bit better. Don't mind some of the background stuff. Still kind of just 3 things here. I'm gonna start with this one here. So this is called Covet You Corset Top. So it looks like a velvet, and then it's got some very cute little bows with the little roses. And then here's the back side. Has a little kind of corset style hooks. Very cute. Love it. Oh, don't fall. Then this is called, where's the little tag? Rural Beauty Body Concept. Oh. There we go. Ooh. I love this. Has these great little details here. Very, the kids call it the alternative, but like goth kind of country mix. Oh, it's got this beautiful detailing down here too. Ooh, this is nice. It's gonna fit very nice too. I can already tell. got a couple things to pick from today to wear out. Just says mesh maxi dress. Oh, I think I know what this is. Whoa. Ooh. Uh-oh. Well. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh, yay. So this is a Naruto. It's anime. Has these little spaghetti straps. And then this mesh shrug that kind of goes over the top of it. So I'm going to try these on and see what I'm going to wear. I actually really love this outfit. This is so cute. And I'm so excited. So I've been back in the gym a little bit, if you can't tell. I'm so excited to be feeling a little bit more like myself. So, and fitting into my beautiful clothes a little bit. It's gonna be a tough choice for today. Ooh, and it totally does.